Hi guys, so today Joshua and I are going to be answering a bunch of your questions. So on Instagram, I did on my stories like a little thing where I said to ask us anything, and a bunch of you sent in questions. So we're gonna do our best to answer as many of them as we can today while cooking HelloFresh, baby. You guys know we love HelloFresh. For those of you that don't know, we love HelloFresh, and it's a meal delivery kit service. Gets sent right to your house. It's amazing. We're gonna show you guys how it all works and everything. But if you guys have never got HelloFresh before, you guys can get $80 off your first month with my coupon code. I will have the coupon code and the link down below in my description box. Make sure to check it out. Guys, this is such a good deal. You get $80 off your first month. Just type it in so you can see how much it's gonna be. It is such a great deal. We're gonna go ahead, get cooking, get to answering your questions. Hope you guys enjoy. A big thanks to HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. And let's go ahead and get started.
So today, we're going to be making the Juicy Lucy burger.
We've got our ground beef.
Now, I wondered why it was called Juicy Lucy burger. Still have no idea, but all I care about is step 3, where it says, stuff the beef with cheese.
Oh, you almost threw that into the candle. We've got onion, buns, cheese,
brioche buns,
ketchup,
cheese, ketchup.
all the goods.
All the goods.
Right
Seasoning,
here.
sour cream.
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato, another sweet potato. That's 2 sweet potatoes.
Garlic.
This thing. Corvieta.
So what's so great about this
Balsamic vinegar.
We literally have enough food just for the two of us.
Just for the two
You're
of us.
not wasting any food,
Nothing
which is super
wasted.
great. So as I'm reading through some of the questions, I don't know if this knife's very good. I'm noticing that some of you guys are asking me a lot of questions that I already answered in my last Q&A. So if you guys didn't see that video, I am going to have that one linked down below too. Because a lot of people were asking like how we met and stuff. I believe I've already answered that. Recently engaged. What is something you wish you could have done or had?
Huge fries.
I know, at your wedding.
Someone to feed me, to bring me food.
We
at
really
all times.
didn't end up eating.
I don't remember
at our
eating
wedding.
anything.
Honestly, it all went by so fast,
Yeah.
and I kind of just wish I would have had like a smaller, I mean, I thought we were doing it pretty small. We only had like 130 people, but I wish that we would have even done it like smaller.
I think it was fine. I just wanted to eat. I don't even think I had the cake while we were there, except for that bite that you do where you're like, oh, bite, bite, yum, yum.
What is your new dog's name?
Funny you should ask. There is a Doggified channel, which we'll link below. If you're not subscribed to that, that'll tell you everything you need to know about our dogs.
We've already answered that. We did a puppy name reveal, and it was really cute. So if you guys haven't seen that video, make sure to go see it.
A lot of people are asking about babies, so we've got news for you. I'm just kidding.
That's the biggest question. And that was the biggest question in my last Q&A too.
Yep.
You guys are obsessed with asking that question. I mean, I get it, but...
Oh, let me cut this one.
Oh yeah, that needs to be cut some more. But at the same time, like, we just got another puppy. And I tell you, a puppy is a lot of work.
To answer that question, because we're just kind of avoiding it at this point, is yes, we are planning on having kids some point, but I made a deal with Abigail that said, for every 2 years we don't have a child, we get a dog. Up to 3.
Yeah,
so
I don't
that
remember
would...
ever making this deal. I just remember, like, you saying that, and that was it.
So yes, then to answer another question, we will consider a 3rd dog in about 2 years, because dude's 2, new puppy, then when the new puppy's 2, dude's 4, another one. In order for us to get another puppy, we would move to where we had a lot of acreage to let the puppies run. They kind of get to run now in the backfield. We take them out there every day, and so other than that, we would probably move before we got another dog.
But yeah, don't get me wrong, like, I want to have kids, like, I can't wait for that time. We're just, like, not putting, like, a time on it, I guess.
No, yep.
And we're not planning it because a lot of those things don't go as you plan them. So we will have kids at some point. We're obviously going to be super excited to, like, share that with you guys. As soon as I find out, I'll let you guys know.
Yeah, I think the next announcement video would be kids.
Maybe.
Possibly. How do you guys handle arguments?
How do we handle arguments?
Always let the woman win.
Ugh.
I'm just kidding. Don't.
No, that's not true, because I apologize.
Yeah, I know. When we don't really argue, we more bicker. I think.
But like, I'm not gonna say we don't. I'm not gonna
No,
sit here
no,
and
no,
act
no.
like we don't argue because everybody argues and.
If you don't argue, it's probably not healthy.
Well, everybody does. Like, I just feel like there's
How are
no
we dicing
couple.
this? Does it say how to dice this?
I think you cut it into like strip. Here, cut it like this and like.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, I just feel like every couple argues, like no matter what. And if they tell you they don't, then they're probably lying.
Just give her space, but not too much time. Because then she starts thinking. And when she thinks, it goes south fast. So you give her less than a minute, but about a minute. And then you approach her knowing that you're wrong. That's it. You might not be wrong, but if you approach it as you're wrong, you're going to do apologizing, you're going to be gentle.
Okay.
That's how you do it. I'm giving advice. This is perfect advice. Pay attention. You'll both end up apologizing, and then it's all better. But do not let time go by. You want to resolve it before anything else happens.
Joshua's really good about lightening the mood. Like, if I get mad at him about something, he'll just come into the room, like, and do something funny, and I'm instantly like, okay, I can't be mad at him. Like, this is stupid. What were we fighting about the other day? It was about this stupid soap dispenser.
Yeah.
We were arguing about putting soap in the soap dispenser.
Yep.
And then, like, 2 minutes later, we were like, okay, this
Laughing
is
because
really...
it was a silly thing to argue about.
Yeah. But, like, those are the types of things we would argue about. Or, like, dumb things like that that are totally pointless.
I didn't wash my hands. Like, seriously, I didn't just now. I just realized I'm peeling these onions.
You didn't wash your hands for this?
Okay, so the next question is, did you finance your home improvement projects, or are you paying for them yourself? Abigail?
Okay, no, we didn't finance them. Luckily, we were very grateful not to. But I feel like even in a lot of comments of like sorry, I'm talking a little louder because that's clicking in the back. But I feel like I actually get a lot of questions about that even in like the videos, like my home improvement videos or whatever. But no, we didn't. But for those that don't know, and this is actually answering another question, a lot of people are asking what Joshua does for a living. And I answered this in my last Q&A, but I will answer it again. Joshua is in the construction business. And if you guys didn't see the video where we were doing our kitchen makeover, like Joshua and my dad were literally putting together the cabinets and hanging them themselves. So we saved a lot of money in that aspect too, because we were doing a lot of these things ourselves. So we were able to save a lot of money that way, and because like you know people in the business and stuff, so luckily we were able to save like some money with that, which was really nice. So we didn't have to finance or anything.
Staring at this, we're going to be answering the next question, and it's, did you go to college, and what did you major in? Abigail?
I didn't go to college. I never wanted to go to college ever. Like, I always hated school, and I just feel like I wasn't ever into it. I went to cosmetology school, and I loved that, and I worked in a salon for a couple years. But I did not go to college, which I have no regrets about personally. Because look at what I'm doing now. I wouldn't even be using what I'm doing probably, because I love what I'm doing. But Joshua, on the other hand, did go to college.
Sure did.
And he's not using his
No.
major either.
I went to school.
Is that what you call it, a major? Like you're not
Your
using
degree,
your major?
yeah.
Okay, he's not using his either.
I went to school and studied history, math, and secondary education to
And
be.
he played football in
Yep.
college too.
Yep. More of like a double major with education as a background. So I actually went to 2 colleges. Went one down in Indiana, and then transferred up to Michigan. So that's our education
When I
background.
met him, I was like, ooh, a smart college boy.
Yeah. I just loved history and I loved numbers. So I just kind of do math problems for fun. Just kidding, I don't. Let's look. Ow!
Are you seriously burning yourself?
No, it's just really popping.
Ooh, it really is. Maybe we kept it. Hopefully we didn't keep it on there too long. Okay, I'm gonna pop these buns in.
Will you ever have a meetup? We're having a meetup tonight! And no one showed up. We forgot to make the announcement.
I would love to have a meetup. I feel like that would be so much fun. I feel like most people, when they do meetups, they do it with brands. And no brand has ever given me that opportunity. So in that case, like, yeah, I'd love to do a meetup. But at the same time, I'm like, would anyone come?
Who's the dog? Do we have any vacation plans?
Yes.
Yes.
And we're so excited. Okay, can I just say one thing?
Yeah.
Someone, I noticed they did ask where we went for our honeymoon. We went to Mexico. We went to the Excellence, and it was like
in Riviera Maya.
It was amazing. We would go there over and over again. We have not been on a vacation like just the two of us since then. And we've been married for
4 years.
4 years, gonna be 5 in September. Like, we go on vacations, but we always go with like our families and stuff because we love that. We really enjoy that. But like, since our honeymoon, we haven't gone on a vacation, just the two of us. So we're like, we need to do that. So
yeah, so we are.
You tell them what you have up your sleeve.
We are going on a road trip, and we are going to be going fishing.
Okay, if you say this, you have to do it.
We are doing it. We haven't decided where. The Mississippi River. Just kind of fish that.
If people have suggestions.
Oh yeah, tell me suggestions on.
Because we're just thinking about strapping a boat to the back and just hitting the road.
Whoop! Going.
We wouldn't bring the dogs.
No.
But we.
It might be like a weekend thing, maybe 4 days.
I don't know. We just think it would be really fun.
Yeah.
I like fishing. Joshua's obsessed with fishing.
Yep.
Who knows?
And the winter's over, so I want to go fishing. So
maybe we would even vlog it. I feel like that would be funny.
We could vlog our road trip. Do you have married friends? Yes.
Ooh. We have best friends. We are very lucky. So my best friend that I've had like my whole entire life, she's married to a very nice man. And luckily, Joshua and my best friend's husband have also become best friends. So it's really worked out for us.
Yep.
I feel like that doesn't always happen to where like my best friend, like her husband would be best friends with my husband. It just works out wonderfully.
Yep.
Like, so, yeah, we do have married friends. We're very grateful for that. And they have 3 adorable children that we love.
All right, everybody. Welcome back to another adventure in...
Welcome back. We didn't go anywhere.
Oh, hey, everybody. That was fun. Thanks, HelloFresh, for allowing us to make this wonderful meal.
Okay, ready? Are we doing this at the same time?
Sure.
And dude is here for it.
Here we go.
Okay. I don't think it'll be too hot. Dude's nose is like right under you. Okay, ready?
Here we go.
1, 2, 3. Whoa. See, that's what I like about HelloFresh because all of these things I would have never like paired together. I would have never ever done this and it's so good.
Yeah, I
So
took
really-
way too big of a bite for TV.
For TV.
For YouTube.
But yeah, this is really good. So, okay, I do want to answer one more question for our Q&A though. Advice for girls starting a YouTube channel / blog, Instagram. Just go for it. Just do it. Like, stop thinking about it and just go for it. And you will just figure it out. When I first started, it was really embarrassing. Like, I didn't want anyone to watch my videos. And I still don't want anyone to watch those videos from when I first started. But hopefully you have like really supportive people around you. Like Joshua's always been really supportive. My family's always been really supportive. And yeah, just go for it. Like there's tons of videos and information online on what to do or tips on stuff that I would always try and read, but I think the best advice is just to go for it. Just do it, just start it, and yeah, it'll be really fun. You won't regret it. So, was that good advice or was that stupid advice?
I personally would have been like, get yourself a guy that really can manage a camera, be the face of the channel.
Be the face?
Just kidding.
Okay.
Be you, girl. You be you.
Yeah.
You be you and others will come too.
Yeah. On that note, thank you HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget guys, use the code ABBYTIDE YT80, I believe what it is. I'm gonna have the code up here. And I'll have it linked down below. Make sure to use it. Get $80 off your first month. It's an amazing deal. You guys will not be disappointed. So thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment down below. Let us know what you thought. Thumbs up, subscribe, all the good stuff. And we will see you really soon in the next video.